Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the real-time network packet Sniffer API using Flask and Scapy. Let's get started. In here I have written code for you, and before I explain this code I will give info to you. The function, the aim of this code is for monitoring your network. In here there are three kinds that you have to know. Number one is Python. Number two is Flask. Number three is Scapy. Every in this item has different function. Python is a language programming language, and Flask for framework web. If you want to display this code, you can use Flask as your interface, and Scapy for library to monitor your network. This is network. Flask is web, and Python for language. This is the main function of this item. And what the function of this code? If you imagine you want to know your traffic in your Wi-Fi. If you know there are many information that you can get from your network. For example, IP address, port, protocol, and extra. This is the basic that you can get information from your network. And do you know this word sniffer? Sniffer is a technique to catch and analyzing data traffic that through a network. Sniffer is a technique to catch and analyzing data traffic that through a network. So you can see the term of this sniffer. Sniffer is a technique to catch and analyzing data traffic that through a network. In here, the aim of this code for catching and displaying packets real-time through API based on Flask. You can imagine of this code. You can imagine there is a restaurant, and if you know the inside of the restaurant, any waiters, management, list and visitors. And in here case, you have a waiters, and these waiters get instruction from their boss to catch or to listening visitor what they talk. This is waiters, and in here table many visitors in here, and this code like waiters listen to these customers, these visitors, what they talk, but these waiters didn't get all information this visitor, maybe just get information about the what they talk and who is talk, not detailed information that can getting these waiters, not all information but general information that waiters get it. Okay, I will explain you about this code. Number one, from Flask import Flask, comma JSON file, import Scapy dot all as Scapy, and you can imagine Flask, this is like book Flask, and Scapy, this is tool that has function to catch information. So you have to import this item Flask as like book, and Scapy like tools, and the function of this tool for catching information, Scapy. Next, app equal Flask parenthesis underscore name underscore packet equal this app Flask parenthesis name. It means if you imagine like the preparing of the waiters, preparing, and packet, it means the waiters has prepared with book for writing the information. Next, for catching and saving the packet, you can use this code. Def packet underscore sniffer parenthesis packet dot append src dst and proto. Packet underscore sniffer parenthesis packet, it means the waiters listening to the conversation of visitors. SRC, it means who is people give information. This is the source, and the ST, the people who receiving the information, destination, the ST, destination, and proto, it means the topic of conversation. maybe if you know the protocol which they use, like HTTP, TCP, UDP, and extra. Maybe your visitor using English language, Malay language, and the other languages. If your waiters didn't know what the visitor speaks, so the waiters will write n/e. Next, for analyzing the traffic or for running sniffing, you have to write this code: scapy.sniff parenthesis prn packet underscore sniffer comma store equal false. Scapy.sniff, it means like a tools that has function to listening what your visitor speaks. And prn packets underscore sniffer, every your visitor speak, and then your waiter write on their books on this packet. Store equal false, it means your waiter just write a little information, not detailed information, not record all information, but a little bit of information from visitors. And for creating endpoint API for displaying data, you can write this code: add app.root parenthesis slash packet def get underscore packet parenthesis return JSONify packet. It means if you have boss, so your boss can access this packet to see information visitors. And the format for this book, for this writing in JSON format. And the last code for running Flask to receiving requests, you can write this code if underscore name underscore double equal main app dot run host 000 port 5000 debug equal true. Host equal 0000, it means restaurant is open for any visitors, and this restaurant for all people. And for this port equal 5000, this restaurant operating in table number 5000, or you can imagine port is similar with the number of table. The bug equal true if any problem your waiters will give information to their boss. Okay, I think enough for this explanation and the function of this code for getting information from your visitor. Okay, I have explained you step by step of this code. If you have any question about this code, about the real-time network packet sniffer API using Flask and Scapy, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.